Hello viewers, today I am going to fix this JBL Free wireless earbuds. This is completely dead, it is not charging at all and it is not working, completely dead. Let's see what is the issue. I am now connecting this charging cable. This is charging. This is not charging and not turning on. These both earphones are not turning on and not even charging. The reason is this is not fixing to this point properly. And even this is not fixing. This is actually magnetic, it should go and fix here. Let's open and see what is the issue in this case. So let's disassemble this charging case of the JBL Free wireless earbuds. Time to disassemble. Case is removed. Now you can see here there should be two magnets here which holds these earbuds in the place like this. This magnet will pull this magnet which is inside this earphone. Now let's see where is those magnets in the case. I have found one already. Let me show you. There is one magnet here which is removed. You can see here. And the other one, it should be inside. I'm not able to see. Let's open this motherboard and see. Yeah, now it has come. See, this is one more magnet. One more magnet, and I have found one already here. This one, there are two magnets. So now it's time to fix this magnet in this housing, but we have to see the polarity, north pole, south pole, all those things, because at one position it will attract and at another position it will repel. So before fixing it with super glue, we have to see the proper position of these magnets. Now I am going to keep this here and place the magnet here. It will rotate itself and it is fixed now. Now it is repelling actually. Sorry, I have put it wrongly. This one, this is the right earphone. See, it has positioned itself automatically. Now this is ready, it is not at all falling. Now we have to apply the super glue here so that it will fix here permanently. Let's apply the super glue. Now I am removing this earbuds. I'm keeping like this. I'm applying the super glue here. Applied. Time to put this magnet here. Done. Now before drying, let's see. Yeah, it's holding its place. Now let's put the another magnet here for the other earphone. Keeping it to check. It should attract. It's repelling here. Yeah. Now it has corrected its own position. This is fixed. Now time to remove this earbud. Taking out the magnet, keeping the position same. Now applying the super glue here. Now keeping the magnet. Oops. Yeah. All right. Now checking. Yes, it's in the place now. Now it is almost fixed. Further, I am going to apply at the sides of these magnets, both of the magnets, so that it will hold strongly. Let's wait for few minutes so that it will get dried completely. Then we will put it in this main housing and check. All right, let's wait for some time. Now this magnet is fixed completely using the super glue. Now before assembling it back, I am going to clean these terminals. You can see here, I am getting close up. Just cleaning little bit of these points so that the continuity should be good. Using the small needle. Enough. Now the other one. Alright, this is enough. Now it's time to fix this upper case housing to the main charging case of these earbuds JBL Free. So let's put this. Oh, I have forgot to put one screw here, which I removed to find the bad magnet. We have found and fixed it already. Let's put this screw back to the motherboard. Then the other one is already here. Alright, now case is charging here, you can see. Let's put this cover. It's very easy, just apply and press it. It will go back to its place. Just see that these two pins, it should come in these small holes. Then you can press the case. There it is. Now I am pressing it. It's fixed now properly. Now I am trying to put this earbud first. The light should come here while charging. White light should come. Let's see. Yeah, it's coming now. You can see white light is coming. It's charging now. Now let's put the other earbud. It has taken already its place. Now let me see. Yeah, it's coming. White light is coming. You can see here. This is the right bud and this is the left bud. Both are charging. Now I am keeping, let it charge for some time, and so that if I remove this earphone should turn on. Let's wait for 5 minutes and we'll come back again. It's time for testing now. It is charged for 10-15 minutes. It is still charging, as you can see here. It's still charging, you can see. Now I'm going to show the demo. After that I will charge it again. Now I'm connecting to the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is open here. Right side is the connecting earphone. Yeah, it is showing here JBL Free. You can see here it is connected. Now let's pair this. It will pair automatically. Then it is paired. Now it's time to check the earphone. I will show one by one. Let's play the song. Now I am going to play the song. Song is playing. Let me show you through my mic. Let me keep this mic here. Right side. I'm keeping this right side separately. Taking this left side. This is left side, you can see here. See it on your left. Alright. Both earphones are working perfectly. I'm putting back in the case for charging. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and write comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.